We're in here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got the Hermes 3000 here. This was shipped into me for repairs. Actually, just for a clean and service. Customer shipped it in, threw it in a box, literally threw it in a box. Long carriage, so it doesn't have the clamshell case. Busted the end cover, busted the back cover, busted the drawband. Mainspring is out of whack. So this is the way it arrived in the box. Carriage all the way over to one side. Even though this side got smashed, it got shoved over, and it smashed this cover and this back panel, and it's locked in this position because the mainspring drawband is all entangled in here, down here, and I'm not even sure how to get this unjammed at the moment. So I think we're going to take it apart together on camera, and I think I'm going to have to take the bottom off, but I like to get this without having to take the bottom off, but probably have to take the bottom off anyhow for something. Okay, so there's the drawband right there, and this is jammed. It's jammed down beside the mainspring here, which is right here, but that's jammed because it's probably entangled. Got an idea. I think there's enough slack here to take it off the, so I'll be able to unhook it right here. Right there. There we go. So there's the drawband right there. Now the carriage should move over. There we go. All right. So now we're going to take the carriage off. That's what I really wanted to do, was take the carriage off. The drawband on this machine is pretty easy. Wow, I just noticed when I loosened that, this whole thing, I guess it was jammed in here, it popped free. Let's do the other side here. And but like I was saying, the drawband on this is pretty accessible once the carriage is off. I forgot which way to turn this. Alright, let's go that way. Come on. Let's go that way. Come on. There we go. Well, at least those are super tight. I don't like this play right here. It's not supposed to be there. I'll investigate that later, so let's pull the carriage off here. Big old long carriage on this thing. Hanging up here somewhere. Not sure where it's hanging up at. Probably this mainspring is probably, there it is, look at that, it's all tangled up to a ball of twine. Alright, well, this is kind of dirty inside. That's what they wanted it done, was cleaned. It definitely could use a cleaning. Hopefully nothing else got damaged in here. Let's see. Well, it's not spacing, I'll tell you that right now. That's not right. Okay, well, there definitely can be further damage in here. But let's work on the mainspring and get that working. At least you gotta do that to check the rest of the typewriter anyhow. So set this aside. I'll get a couple towels here. Something cushion to work on here in this trickiest part with these guys is this return arm is always in the way. Yeah, this is a little bit dirty. But there's our mainspring. And see, this is just totally accessible right here. So let's see if we can salvage this band. And if not, you know, make another one. Not that big a deal. But I'd like to see if I can salvage this. So it's got a tangle right here or something. Okay. That's really got tangled up here. Boy, I don't know. It's a little annoying so far. Come on, buddy. Jeez. Well, these things really do something weird when they snap like that. Okay. So got one real good twist right there. I'm gonna rub it out and see how it feels. It doesn't feel too bad. Okay, so let's just wind this mainspring up. Just gonna wind it like this. Felt like it slipped. Can't imagine this is bad, but I'm gonna wind this guy up right about there. I'm going to reconnect it over here onto the carriage. Spot right there. And let's try it. Okay, that's running smooth. At least the rails aren't bent or anything, so. Alright, goes all the way. All the way. Got it. Well, that's pretty easy. That's a pretty easy job on these. If you had to replace this, you know, it's all accessible right here. Just your standard mainspring. Got a nice hole in there for the fitching line type of drawstring. Okay, so carriage looks all right. I'm gonna be able to mend this. This is snapped off right here. I got the pieces, at least they were laying in the box. So let's just put it back on just to see if the typewriter works. Just for fun, we're gonna throw it back on here real quick. This ribbon is all fouled up. I don't know how that happened. But, you know, when things get tossed around, and that's what happens. Alright, let's put this sucker back on. Get it straight. You know, somebody told me to take this card guide off to help put it in. I think they said that. It might help. That just might help. These things never seem like they want to pop in place for me once I take them off. Okay, got one side on. It does not feel right. It feels like it's binding on the mainspring is binding here. I think it's shoved up against this back panel, I think. Let me try this side first. Okay, that feels good. Oh, might have got it. Alright, let's tighten these down. I think I got it. It's funny how sometimes... Okay, carriage is moving. That's good. Let's try it. Let's see if the space bar works. Okay, we got action. Good enough. All right. So that's a quick little drawband mainspring repair. Still some noise here on the carriage. Alright, that's all for this video. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.